Hey everybody, I'm in my kitchen and I don't have the camera turned around because Facebook's kind of messing up, but I wanted to show you what I've been playing with today. I've got some whole wheat bread, sourdough bread rising, and I have in my oven a loaf of leftover. It's the sourdough that you're supposed to toss away, and I just don't have the heart to toss it away. So I put some flour with it and let it rise in a casserole dish, and boy, is it looking good. So I'm going to turn the oven. No, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. Maybe I'll turn the oven down a little bit. Bake 3, 2, 5. Till I get back off of this. So, show you my plants. They're still growing, and these are getting ready to get some seeds in it middle of the week. And then here are some things that I planted the other day. They're in the plastic. Can't see in there too well, but hey, it's getting there. And that's looking out my kitchen window at my front yard and my Japanese maple. I don't have my microphone on, y'all, so if the sound isn't quite right, anyway, I've been helping Robert today. This is, let me show you, looking down our driveway. That's looking down our driveway. And let's see, there's my happy little shamrock plant. And then there's Robert's treehouse out from my kitchen, out from our stove. So he put the grill out there. You can't hardly see it. But today, I told you I was looking for a pizza stone, a bread stone to put out there. And I couldn't find one that wasn't $80. And I asked Robert, we have some slabs of granite and slate and some different things outside by the garage. And I said, would any of those be fitting to put in the grill? And so we cut one up into a 16 by 16 inch square. And we just had a lovely time of it. So there goes the dog. Maybe I'll go do the show on the front porch. I've got supper dishes ready, laid out we're going to cook some steaks in a minute. I'm going to go outside. I don't have a microphone on, so anyway, I got some planters here that I'm going to plant some things in this week. I think it's the 27th, and Tulip is in the pond. Look at that girl. She loves that water. She thinks she's so happy there. Look at that. She's going to be muddy. You're not going to believe it. She is going to be so muddy when she gets out. But it's not too bad. She didn't stir it up too bad. You really can't see other people from our house. I saw somebody pull down the road. But we have a lovely little place. It's our place. And it's my marla garden. I got peonies fixing to bloom right down there by the pond. And this is where I'm going to plant my vegetables, right down here. I've got a bunch of things through here that I'm going to plant. There she goes. What's she found? She's playing with something. But it's kind of windy out here. So I'm going to take I don't know, this sun's feeling pretty good. I don't have anything to put the camera on. But it's a beautiful day in our neighborhood. And if you can get outside and enjoy just a few minutes of a sunbeam and soaking up the sunshine and watching your puppy play. I don't know what she's playing with. I don't think it was She may have the deer bone now. We got about a ½ inch of rain last night. Well, it's not even a ½ inch, but we had some thunderstorms last night and some tornado warnings. But Tulip's gonna show out for you. She's got something there. I don't know what that is. Tulip, what do you got? They tried to quit on me. Anyway, she's having fun. I think it's a toy football. She steals the toys from the neighborhood dogs, y'all. And Robert has to take them down by the mailbox and clothespin them to the tree over the mailbox so that they can get their toys back. But she is a little scoundrel, I'm telling you. I have to show you my iris. Let me go show you my iris that's blooming. Now, this is my favorite flower right here. This is called a sweet shrub, and it makes me happy. It smells wonderful. It smells like apple pie and some other fruit mixed together, but it really makes me happy. Tulip decided to come and she wants to see what I'm getting into. But we have, I'm getting too far from the house. We have an iris. Look at this. Tulip, look here. It's a pretty iris too. And we got another peony getting ready to bloom right here. And then we have lily of the valley. We have a whole lot of lily of the valley. She's passed away now. And it was her mother's lily of the valley. And she moved from Atlanta to Transylvania County, and she was getting ready to pull the trucks out of the yard to drive up here, and she says, I forgot my mama's lily of the valley. And so I dug up a piece of it and brought it here, and this is what it's done. This is what it's been probably about 15 years. Marianne was a precious woman. But Tulip's showing out for y'all today. Yeah, anybody, we got plenty of lily of the valley. That's for certain. And then I have a rock over here that I love. And this is can't believe I'm taking on a tour of my garden. It's my Marla garden. Let's see if here's my rock. Michelle gave me this rock for Christmas one year. And if you can see it, I'm getting too far from the house. It is a geode. And it gets moss growing on it. It's a happy rock. And then here's our pond. And then these are water iris. And there's my cast iron turtle. I like my cast iron turtle. Anyway, folks, that's a little tour of my garden. And we got these ferns growing everywhere. Tulip, look at you. Look at this face. Only a mother could love this face. But that's my peony. Turn off the Wi-Fi and use cellular data. I can't get to it without losing the picture. Is the issue. Anyway, got some little yellow flowers in the pond. And that tree got bit by frost one Easter, and we thought it was dead. And you know, it grew back and grew back even more beautiful than it was. Even more beautiful than it was. So under this plant somewhere, there's an elephant. There's a little elephant. Oh, I didn't show you Lucy. Let me show you Lucy. I have a sculpture down here that is a hound dog. This is Lucy. That's my Lucy dog. Oh, I smell my sweet shrub. Oh, it's lovely. Or it might be my iris. Oh, it is the iris. Smell that. Stop and smell the irises today. So this is the front of our house. You can't see the house from the road. So if somebody comes down our driveway, we know they're either coming to see us or they're lost. They are lost. But when Robert and I got married, there was nothing but dirt here, just red dirt. And we have had several loads of mulch brought in about every other year for the first few years. For our wedding present, Robert gave me rocks. I have river rocks everywhere. And that round rock there, that's from Utah. So I like my rocks. I'm going to get Robert to get rid of those shrubs right there. I don't love those shrubs. And that's where I'm going to plant some vegetables. Anyway, we're having fun. It's always fun in the country. Tulip doesn't know what to do with me outside. Yeah. I love you all. I will talk to you later.